Good morning. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no smoking, no talking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Good morning, Madam Court Reporter. How are you doing today?
Morning, Judge. Doing good.
Good. All right. Mr. Waters, now you were sitting so still and so patient a moment ago, and now you're doing a whole lot of moving. You need to sit down when we start your matter. Okay, sir?
Yeah, I had to make sure I could give my undivided attention. That's all.
All right, fantastic. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jason Waters. This is ticket number U332922716. This is one count enter a vacant dwelling without owner's written permission. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
For the record, Your Honor, good morning. Melissa Vinik, appearing on behalf of Jason Waters. My P number is 53750.
And Mr. Waters, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Jason Waters.
I believe this is the date and time set for an arraignment on a bench warrant. How are we proceeding, counsel?
As far as that, Your Honor, we stand mute to that. We're asking for the bench warrant to be please set aside and for not guilty plea to be entered on behalf of the bench warrant. I do have a resolution of the case, though.
All right. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client, set aside the bench warrant. What's the resolution, counsel?
So the resolution on behalf of my client is that my client will be tendering a plea of disorderly conduct, and in exchange for that, the original charge of enter without owner's permission will be dismissed. My client understands he has a right to have a trial in this matter, and at this time, Your Honor, he does wish to avail himself of the offer.
Is that correct, Mr. Waters?
Yes, it is.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you
Okay.
have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights, sir?
She talked to me.
All right. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes. Yes, I am.
Okay. And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of February 9th of 2016. Were you in the area of 9728 Woodlawn Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you enter into that home without the owner's written permission that day?
Well, yes, I guess. But didn't nobody own the house though. It was an abandoned house.
Did you own the house?
No one owned the house. It was a friend of mine's grandmother who owned the house. She had passed away years ago, but I was homeless at the time. So I just was there laying my head down.
So Mr. Walters,
Yes,
you just
ma'am.
gave me a whole story. And in the story, you said it was my friend's grandmother's house who had passed away. So someone did own the home. It wasn't you, correct?
No, it was not me, ma'am. No, it was not.
Did you have permission from that grandma to go into that home?
No, I did not. She was passed away at the time.
Mr. Waters, stop trying to give me explanations right now. I'll give you a chance to give explanations, but you know what happens when you give explanations? You make me have to have a bench trial because you don't talk too much. Do you want a bench trial in this matter or a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
So stop answering my questions yes or no then, and stop trying to give explanations.
Okay.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is satisfied as well and will enter a plea to disorderly conduct. the amended charge in this matter, sir. Now, sir, tell me what happened.
I was homeless and I just needed somewhere to lay my head at the point of time. And I told the officer that too at the time, but like you said, I was there with no permission. So I was very guilty.
Okay. All right. All right. No other things in this. All right, sir. Do you have employment now?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, on behalf of my client, Your Honor,
Yes.
my client is 38 years old. He is a graduate of high school. He attended Kettering High School. He states to me that he is employed. He's been working for the last 3 to 4 years doing landscaping. He is a father of 5 children. Currently, he's living with his son. He showed me his son. And he states to me that he has no prior record.
All right. Well, I'm glad you made it back up on your feet, sir. You can't do this, though. You can't be in places, and they must have called because it must have been some other activity that usually takes place at that house. That's why they really called, sir. You can't do that, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
All right. Why did it take you so long to come back to court?
Just caught up in everything, just caught up in just life in itself. That's all. It's really no big excuse on me not showing up. It's just that I was going through a lot of stuff at that time.
All right, court's gonna waive your costs and fines today, sir. Don't get any more tickets because you're gonna come back to me and I'm gonna remember.
Oh, trust me, I'm not trying to get any more tickets. I'm trying to, that's the main reason why I came down to clear this up. I don't need it on my record.
All right, sir, you have a good day, okay?
Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Landers Wallace. Now calling the matters of the people versus Landers Wallace. This is ticket number P12866968, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P1286961, count disregard signal red or amber. Ticket number 290958. This is 1 count, no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Melissa Vinik appearing on behalf of Philanders Wallace.
And Mr. Wallace, can you state your name for the record, please?
Philanders Wallace.
How are we proceeding, counsel, today?
Yes, Your Honor, there has been a resolution in this matter. First of all, my client does understand his rights to have a trial. At this time, Your Honor, he does wish to waive his rights to the trial. He will be tendering a plea of guilty to improper plate. In exchange for that, the original charge on the 681, the file ending in 681 will be, which is the license, improper license will be dismissed. In addition to that, the no operator's license, as well as the disregard red signal, those matters will also be dismissed.
All right. Sir, you want to take advantage of this offer today?
Yes.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down, sir. Mr. Wallace, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the right that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to take your attention back to the date of December the 3rd of 2021. At that time, were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of West 7 Mile and Beach Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And did you drive that vehicle while your license was not valid at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation the probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulate.
So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended charge of improper place. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed.
Thank
Sir,
you.
my fine, no problem. My fine is $200. How long would that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
60 days.
Okay, is that gonna be enough time for you, sir?
Yes.
Okay, all right, so I'm gonna have it due December 28th, 2022, okay?
Okay.
All right, sir. There's nothing further. You're all set. Thank you so much.
Thank you, and you have a great day.
You too. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bring you this way and Wagner.
Officer Fitzgerald Harris, I have you checked in too, just FYI, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Ms. Wagner?
Yes,
Okay, I'm gonna call your matter, okay, ma'am?
okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Aisha Wagner. This is ticket P1211539. This is one count open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Melissa Vinik, P 53750, appearing on behalf of Aisha Wagner.
And Ms. Wagner, can you state your name for the record, please?
Aisha Wagner.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. How we proceeding, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor, at this time, there has been a resolution. My client understands that she does have a right to have a trial in this matter. However, at this time, there has been a resolution, and the resolution is that my client will be tendering a plea of guilty to disorderly conduct, which is going to be under a 12-month delayed sentence. And in exchange for that, the original charge of open alcohol in a vehicle will be dismissed.
Ma'am, you want to take advantage of that today?
Yes, I do.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
yes,
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that, ma'am?
yes,
Understanding all of this, you still want to move forward today?
yes, I do.
Okay, ma'am. I want to take your attention back to the date of June 11th of 2021. Were you in the area of East Jefferson and Mount Elliott in the city of Detroit inside of a vehicle?
Yes, I was.
And while you were in that vehicle, you were on the passenger side and you had open alcohol in it, ma'am?
Yes, I did.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, and the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge, disorderly conduct, in this particular matter. Ma'am, it's under 12-month delayed sentence. What that means is as long as you pay my fine and get no new tickets like this, in a year, we'll come back and this case will be dismissed, okay?
Yes,
All right, so my fine is $240, and you'll have 12 months to pay that, okay?
okay,
So I'll see you back in a year on October 30th, 2023, 8:45 a.m. As long as you have that fine paid, no new tickets like this, this case will be dismissed, okay?
okay.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much, ma'am. You have a great day, okay?
Thank you, you too.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Did you talk to Milton Williams, Miss Attorney?
Milton Williams, I have not yet, no.
All right, I'm just checking because he popped back into the courtroom. So I'm
Okay. Yeah,
what
no,
about
not
Darius?
yet.
It's okay. What about Darius Walton? Did you talk to him?
Darius Walton, hold on one second. I spoke to Aisha. We're done with him. I spoke to, you know what? Milton Williams is ready. Sorry, Milton Williams is ready.
It's okay. Milton Williams, you can unmute yourself and turn on your camera, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start. Put a shirt on, please. Mr. Williams,
Yes.
you need to take your camera back off, put a shirt on for me, please. This is court, okay?
Okay.
All right, we'll come right back to him. What about Darius Walton? Did you have a chance to talk to him, attorney?
Darius Walton, I have not had an offer for Darius Walton. Let me just look, hold on. Darius Walton,
fine.
nope, no offer on Darius Walton, no offer yet on Novell Zella. So those two, I'm still waiting for offers on. And Flanders, Williams, Milton
Okay,
Williams.
it's cool. Mr. Walton, I'm gonna put you back into a breakout room because she hasn't spoken to you yet. Okay, I need you to join the breakout room so that you can be able to talk to the attorney, okay?
Yes, my bad. I had made a mistake and exit out the room.
It's okay. I'm gonna put you in room number 4. Join that, please, okay?
Okay.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm ready.
Okay, I see you, Mr. Williams. And then I'll do your case, Attorney Kramer, okay?
Thank you.
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Milton Gerard Williams Jr. This is ticket number P126757. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, expired plate. Also calling ticket number FX41283191. One count failed to use Chico Assembly System effectively. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Melissa Vinek, appearing on behalf of Milton Williams. My P number is 53750.
Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record? Mr. Williams, what are you doing?
My
Join
phone,
me
my
in
cam,
today.
my camera was acting up. I was trying to. My bad.
I can see you, Mr. Williams. I know it can be hard because you're at home. You can't be distracted while you're at home, court, okay? You gotta focus just for a few moments, and I promise you'll get out, okay?
Okay.
All right, so state your name for me, sir.
Milton Williams.
All right. Counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Yes, Your Honor, there has been a resolution in this matter. And the resolution is, first of all, my client understands he can have a trial in this matter. I believe he understands his rights. He will be tendering a plea to expired plates. And in exchange for that, the no insurance as well as the seatbelts will be dismissed.
You want to take advantage of that, sir?
Yes.
All right, reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis. On the day of October 22nd, 2021, in the area of eastbound Jeffries Freeway and Schaefer in the city of Detroit, Mr. Williams was driving a Ford vehicle that had expired plates. Satisfied, counsel?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
Thank you. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts.
Stipulate.
Ms. Ma'am?
So stipulate.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court's going to enter one count, a plea of responsible to expired plates. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed. Mr. Williams, the fine for that expired plate is $145. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that going to be enough time for you, sir?
May I have a little bit more, please?
Okay, how much time do you need, Mr. Williams?
Probably 30.
30 days will be okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'm gonna make it due no later than November the 28th, okay? November
Sound-
28th, 22, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Williams, if there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you so much, okay?
All right. Have a good day.
You too, sir, okay?
All righty.
All right. Attorney Van Nick,
Yes.
you were sent some, hopefully they got to you. You should have been sent via email some offers, so that way you can go in there and look at the offers and then pop back in.
Okay, will do.
Questions, okay?
Okay, will do. Thanks.
You're welcome. Okay, so you may not have all the tickets on the offer, so if you need to know what they are, just let us know and I'll tell you, okay?
Okay, fine. And just making sure, Philanders Wilson, that was pleading responsible. That was a civil infraction, correct?
Last name is Wallace.
The one we
Wallace?
just, Yeah,
Oh, the one we
Philanders.
just did, oh, Milton Williams, it was a civil infraction.
No. I know Milton Williams was a civil infraction. Philanders Wallace, that was a civil infraction.
No, it just was on that line. It was a misdemeanor. It was.
It was
improper
a
plate.
misdemeanor. Got it. Okay, fine. So the other three, so we only did one civil infraction. The other ones were all misdemeanors. Okay, fine. Just
Yes.
making sure. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay.
You're very welcome. All right. Let me get your client out here, okay, Attorney Kramer?
Thank you.
You're welcome. He in the room with somebody else right now too. They probably having the whole conversation. Counsel, you may have to go get your client out the breakout room. He's in breakout room number 7. He's not responding to my request.
Okay, sorry about that. I'm texting him right now also.
Yes, that's fine too.
Okay, he just responded. There we go.
Damn, I skipped over him. Neville Zella,
Yes, ma'am.
now calling the matter of the people versus Neville Zella. This is ticket U 5947891. One count furnishing tobacco products without a license. Also calling U ticket 5947881. This is one count operated business without a license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jack Kramer, P77490 for Mr. Zella. Can you state your name, Neville?
Novella Zella.
Your Honor, today's the date and time set for a bench trial. Officers failed to appear. I did discuss it with the city attorney, so I would respectfully request that the matter be dismissed.
The time is now 10:09 a.m. This matter was set on my docket at 9 a.m. No officers having appeared. The court is going to grant your request and dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, they can refile this if they would like to, but as of today, you're all set, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you can go ahead and disconnect from the call, okay?
All righty. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Take care.
You're welcome. Have a great day, okay?
You too. Thanks. See ya.
Thank you. See ya.
Okay.
Ten. Nobody.
Mr. Williams,
Yes.
okay, you have a lot of tickets, sir.
I have a court date. I came to 36th district yesterday and made a court date for him. I think it's I can go. I have the paperwork in my car and I can take.
It's for November
I have
10th.
one court. Yeah, I have court date set up for him already for next month.
Yes, for
Yes, I
November
can. I
10th.
can say that again. Say that again.
Mr. Williams, I need you to listen. You have a court date scheduled for November 10th,
Yes, ma'am.
but I'm gonna need to give you another court date because the judge will not be here that day. So you have a lot of tickets. So what's a good day for you to come back so we can handle all your tickets? Because you have a lot. Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yes. When you came to court, they scheduled you a court date downstairs at the cashier window. So we're gonna have to give you another date. So what's a good day for you to come back?
Come back
You
for
have
where?
a lot of tickets too.
Yes, I got the. I have a court date set up for all them tickets.
Mr. Williams, I'm gonna need you to call the courtroom.
Okay, because I can't. Okay, all right.
313.
Is it on? I have it on this paper right here.
313-965-2293.
229. Yes, 2293.
Yeah.
I'm about to call right now. Right
Okay.
now.
All
Okay.
right.
Yes. Okay. You're welcome. Thank you.
Mr. Williams. Okay. No, you gotta do something. I need to give you another question. because the judge is not here. I understand that you came down the court, you got a new court date. But you have a lot of tickets. Yeah, we do talk about what you said to another day. So I'm asking you, because I see you at work, if I can call, So. Right, so what's a good day for you to come back so you can be able to handle all your tickets because you have a lot of tickets. So it's gonna take some time, because we gotta get off of everything for your tickets, so. What's a good time for you to come back? Hold on. Hello? 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 But I will. Mr. Williams. Oh, thank you. Washington,
Yes,
you spoke with the attorney?
yes,
Are you okay?
yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna place you in the waiting room till the judge is ready, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, on Brittany Washington, on my docket, I have 3 charges, and on the sheet that you sent me, there were 4. So I was a little confused about that. Same thing with Darius Washington and the other one. So
Right, so I told you, I said there's probably gonna be some extra tickets on there, and if you just need to know what those tickets are, to let me know, and I'll tell you what they are.
okay, so Brittany Washington is ready. What is, because it's this one's being dismissed. What's the P1255215?
That is a ticket for fail to use seatbelt assembly system. She
Got
got
it.
that same thing. It probably went into default by now, but I'll take it out of default so she doesn't have that extra ticket to pay.
Got it. We're ready on her if you want to do her.
Okay. Ms. Washington?
Yes,
Okay. Hey, little man, how are you doing today? Sir, your mommy has to do something very important for me right now. Can you take a big marshmallow and put it in your mouth just for a few minutes for me, please? Okay? I'm Judge Taylor. How you doing? No,
He
okay,
eats some
well, we're
chips.
gonna try. All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Brittany Washington. This is ticket P 1255207. Count one, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count two, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count three, insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P 1255215. One count failed to use seatbelt assembly system. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Melissa Vianic appearing on behalf of Brittany Washington.
Ms. Washington, can you state your name for the record, please?
Brittany Washington.
Counsel, how are we moving forward today?
Yes, Your Honor, at this time, there's been a resolution. My client understands that she has a right to have a trial in this matter, and there has been a resolution, and that would be that my client will be tendering a plea to count SP 125522072, which is the unregistered untitled. In exchange for that, the no operator's license, the no insurance misdemeanor, as well as the seatbelt violations will be dismissed. My client understands her trial rights and she's ready to avail herself of this offer.
Is that right, Ms. Washington?
Yes.
So please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Washington, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, you want to move forward today, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of September 29th of 2021. Were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Gratiot and Connor in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And was that vehicle unregistered at that time, ma'am?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulate.
So at this time, the court is to enter a plea to count two, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. The remaining counts called on the record today will be dismissed. Ma'am, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
60 days.
Okay. Is that gonna be enough time for you, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. That brings us to December 28th, 2022, okay?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
Yes. Thank you. You too.
All right, I
Okay.
will. Bye, sir. Bye. It's okay. Dante, how are you doing? I'm good, thank you.
Hi.
All right.
Oh, sorry.
You're good. Who did you need to know some stuff about? Attorney?
Darius Washington. That one is confusing a little bit because there's a lot of files that are like not on my docket. So
I know, because we, in our courtroom, we pull everything. That way, they don't have to keep coming back to court again and again. So
yeah,
if you
no, that
need to
makes
know what
sense.
tickets are, we can tell you.
It's
Okay.
Darius Walton. County Manager.
Darius Walton. Yep, exactly. Sorry about that. Darius Walton, because I have, okay, I see that we're just missing on the docket the first five, the SP 11247251, 232, and 53. So I see that the 51, 52, 53 are being dismissed. I see the next two also on the docket, the SP 11247261 and 62 are being dismissed. I see that he's pleading to the next one, which is the SP 11247263. I see that one. Okay, that is failure to report the accident. I also see the, I don't see listed on this the next two on the docket, which are the SP 94511841. I don't see those two listed on the sheet. And then I do see the 172699251. Okay, so I see that one. And that one's been, there's been an offer for a drag racing, and then the original reckless driving will be dismissed. But the above two, the license impaired and the no insurance misdemeanor, I don't see those listed on the sheet. So
Okay. So I guess my question is, do you want all the tickets read to you, or like, how do you want to do this? Do you want the tickets?
yeah,
that
well,
are-
I'm just going, let's go through it one step at a time, because on the docket, when I'm reading the docket, okay, I see the guilty plea that he would be, I see that one where I've circled that. That's the failure to report an accident. Then we go to amend charge, and I see that one, and I've circled that one, and that's been amended. Then I see the SP 1124726 1 and 2. And I, hold on, 24726 1 and 2. Okay, I see that. Then I don't, the SP 1124725 1, 2, and 3. I see that. You know what? Maybe this one is fine. Maybe it was the other one. I think this has got, we don't have a resolution then for the SP 9451841 and 2. Which are the license, the no insurance misdemeanor and the license impaired or improper license.
Say the numbers again.
It's SP
Uh-huh.
9451841 and 2.
Oh. This will be dismissed as a part of the plea.
I know, well, what, okay, yeah, but it's not written on the sheet.
I know. He must have missed it by accident. Oh, he missed the bench trial a while ago for that.
Yeah,
Let's see, he's playing 1, 2, drag racing has 4.3. How many? No, it's just throw around like.
so we're good. And the drag racing, you're saying is a 4 point, and they're dismissing the other one. The 24726, which was a 6 point. Which one was the 6 point? The failure to report a license?
No, the 6 point was failed to report it. No, leave the scene of. a
Leave
car
the
accident.
scene, leaving the scene was a 6 point, and we're dismissing that one. Okay,
Yes, correct.
okay. Okay, so we're dismissing the 6 point. Okay, so it's just that the other two were not written on the plea form. They're being dismissed. They weren't written on. So that form just needs to be added on.
Okay.
Okay, let me go speak to him and see. Thanks. Hi. Oh, we're ready on Darius Walton.
Attorney Bennett,
Hi, yep.
I don't know if, the officer I'm gonna place the officer in the breakout room with you, but he needs to be placed into a breakout room with the prosecutor too, because he wants to let it be known that the defendant ran from him.
Which one are we talking about, Darius?
Yes. He's the
Okay.
officer. Okay, so,
What breakout room should we go into?
I'll put you in breakout room number 1. Go to 1.
And then he'll go to one as well. You'll put him in there too. Okay, and then also after that, the Albert Wynn one, I didn't understand that one either, but okay, fine.
It's just a lot of tickets that's not on the docket.
Yeah, I know. Okay, fine. So I'm gonna go into one and then everybody will join me. Yep.
Well, not the defendant, just you,
Oh, just me. I'm going into one then. Okay, fine. Okay,
with the officer.
okay.
But, he probably wants to talk to John too,
Yeah.
the prosecutor,
Yeah.
so. Let me see if John's available. Hold on 1 second, okay? Before I
Okay, I'm
place
not
you.
gonna go in yet. Okay.
Officer Harris,
Yes,
did you want to be placed in the breakout room with the, defendant attorney or the prosecutor?
the prosecutor and the attorney, that's fine.
Okay, well, the prosecutor is not in the courtroom right now, so I'll place you in there with the attorney for right now.
Okay,
We're gonna go to breakout room number 1.
okay.
Okay, attorney, Vandy, you can go and breakout room number 1.
Okay. What happened to Andre Wolf? Why did we not do Andre Wolf? I'm just trying to see. That one was ready. We didn't do that one? Oh, I remember why. Yep, I remember why. We got to speak to the city attorney because he brought in information. That's why. Yeah, that's what's going on there. Okay, I was looking at the thing and I wasn't sure. Okay, so go in there and then after that, we'll go over the Albert Wynn one because I don't understand it. Okay, fine. Very good. Okay. Hi. Okay. I know that the officer wants to speak to the prosecutor on Darius Walton. I can't hear.
Okay, you said what? What do you need?
I don't need the prosecutor, and not the prosecutor. The officer wants to speak to the prosecutor on Darius Walton. Otherwise, I'm ready, but the officer is not. Okay. Is the prosecutor here yet or no?
We're gonna get him back here, okay?
No problem. Okay, now on on when, yep, let's talk about when. When's confusing. Hold on, let me just pull it up myself. When is,
Okay, we're gonna send you all of the tickets. How about that? So we're gonna send you all the tickets that are here so that you'll be able to see them, okay?
okay, good, thanks. Where is it on my doc? I'm looking at my docket originally. Oh, I see. It's on the amended docket. Okay. Hi, I'm still supposed to just be waiting, correct? Hi.
Yes, I'm sorry, I'm doing another docket too, attorney. So you're just gonna have to.
Okay, I'm just waiting.
He has a lot of tickets, so just hold tight,
All right,
okay?
all right, no problem.
So what was turned over to Nancy?
Hey, Mary?
That might have been it, so what did Nancy do? Okay, so I would suggest you talk to her.
I will, I'm gonna send this an email.
Yeah, I suggest you talk to her, because I don't know, I was not here, and, I could talk to, Jim to find
Hello?
Ma'am, did you check your email? Hold on a minute, y'all.
Yeah, I did. I'm looking at the plea form and the top line just says plead guilty, but it doesn't say for what.
Okay, hold on a second. All right, now what confusion did you have, ma'am?
Okay, what was confusing is on the plea, it says plead guilty, but it doesn't actually state what it is that he's pleading guilty to, so I was a little confused. It just says plead guilty and then it's blank. There's no file number.
Right. That's okay.
So, pleading guilty to two counts of blockading.
Okay, hold on, 2 counts. Which one is, can you tell me which is the file, just so I know?
First ticket is a disregard signal, red or amber.
I'm gonna have a call.
I know, but what's the file number?
SP 125188871.
Okay.
Okay, and that one is, he's pleading guilty to.
Responsible to blockading.
Responsible to blockading, okay? All right, and then,
Is SP 123211151.
hold on, 1, 2, 3, 2,
1151.
okay, and he's pleading guilty to this one or responsible?
Responsible to blockading.
Okay,
And then ticket SP 1232121. Counter drove while license suspended. And he's pleading as improper plates on that one.
so that's being amended to improper plates. Okay, and that's the SP 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. Okay, so that's, he's pleading guilty to improper plates. Okay, got it.
That's it. The remaining tickets will be dismissed.
The remaining tickets will be dismissed, so that would be everything else.
Correct.
Okay, all right, let me go speak to him and see. Okay, thank you. Let me just see. Hi, I told him to, did he join? What happened to him? I told him to leave the breakout room, but I don't see him now.
So everyone is ready. I can close out the breakout room because the judge is doing another courtroom right now.
Well, Andre Wolf, I haven't spoken to the prosecutor about. And
He's
we
right
are,
here. He's right
So
here.
I just walked back in, on Andre Wolf, I understand, did you verify, his valid documentation?
he showed me his valid documentation. It's not in his name, it's in his sister's and mother's name. But he showed me his registration expires December the 13th, 22.
Okay,
And his insurance certificate expired October the 11th, 22, but I think he had it while he had the offense.
valid at the time, okay.
So do you want to amend it to drive while license suspended, or?
What we'll do is we can take the driving while license suspended and I'll amend that so that he doesn't get the points that are normally
Right.
associated with that to like an improper plates. That way you don't get any points, it won't go on his record either.
Okay, let me just talk to him super quick. I'm sure he's not gonna have a problem with that. Okay, and then also on Darius Walton, I know that the officer in charge that was here, because I think that there might be 3 officers. I only see 2 listed on the docket because there was 2 that are not even listed on there's 2 offenses that are not even listed on the plea form. But the officer Harris wanted to speak to you about it.
And I did get a chance to speak with him and we've revised that offer. So that should be coming over now.
That should be coming over. Okay, because I don't have that yet. Okay, so let me go speak to Andre Wolf. And all right, let me speak to Andre Wolf regarding the new the improper plates, the driver license suspended is going to be okay, fine. And I don't have the new offer yet on. So let me go speak to that one. Then do you want me to come back or should I speak to Darius Walton?
I guess probably just speak to Walton. We'll send it over while you're speaking to Wolf. How about that?
That sounds great. Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Okay.
Do you have Albert Wynn? I told him to leave the breakout room. Oh, he's
Oh.
there. I see him. I see him. Okay, how's it going? Okay, good. All right, very good. Thank you. Okay.
Mr. Nguyen, I'm gonna put you on mute and I'm also gonna put you into something called a waiting room. Just wait there until I call your case, okay? I promise it's coming soon, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. Thank you for your patience. I really appreciate it. All right. Xavier Ferguson. Now calling the matter of Peter versus Xavier Lee Ferguson. This is ticket number P11645564. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper license. I also have a state ticket number X20722221. 1 count illegal window tint. Count 2, no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel. Is it points for illegal window tint?
Nope.
All right, does he want to do a legal window tint instead of the civil infraction? I'll dismiss the no operator license on person. All right. All right, Mr. Ferguson, I'm gonna read from the ticket to establish a factual basis. Can you state your name for the record, please? All right, Mr. Ferguson, on the date of November the 11th of 2015, in the area of Spring Garden in Queen in the city of Detroit, Mr. Ferguson was driving a Chevy vehicle that had illegally tinted windows. Satisfied, counsel? Satisfied, Your Honor. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea of response to illegal window tint. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed. Sir, the fine, you're welcome. The fine, I'm sure it's some late fees. I'm gonna have the late fees removed on this ticket. I'm going to assess a fine. Legal tint. Miss Madam Clerk, can you look at the legal tint? It is let me give you the pack code or the ticket number. You ready? X20722221, count 1.
Hi.
It's closed. Did he pay anything on it? Okay. All right, sir. So we already disposed of that case, so I do have to, that took care of that ticket. Madam.
Hi.
Did he, do any? So, Mr. Ferguson, what happened is that they closed out that one ticket. Is the other ticket count on that ticket closed too? Can you look that up for me, count 2? Okay, thank you. It's not? Okay, all right. Mr. Ferguson, you still have a ticket open on this one. It seems like the other one was given time served. You can plead to this, no operator's license, multiple operators license at the proper place if you would like to today. Is that something you want to do, Mr. Ferguson? Yeah. All right, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
But I just saw Pam posted this.
All right, you can put your hand
Congratulations
down.
on your 20
Sir, did
years
you
of
have a chance to
service.
talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights? You ain't talked to Attorney Bradfield about your case and about your
20-year
rights?
anniversary, so congratulations.
I'm talking about today. Did you talk to anybody about your case today? No. I was in the breakout room with you, sir, today, and I went up your church. She may not have told you, but she's an attorney. Did you talk to her today? Yeah. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today? No, ma'am. Are you pleading guilty of your own choice? Yes. Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty? Yes. And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that, sir? Yes. Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today? Yes. All right. I'm going to take your attention back to the date of November 11th of 2015. Were you in the area of Spring Garden and Queen in the city of Detroit? Yes. Were you driving a Chevy vehicle? Yes. Yeah. And did you not have any operator's license on you at that time, sir? No, I did not. All right. Satisfied, counsel? Satisfied. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper place. The remaining counts called on this record on ticket P 1164564 will be dismissed. Sir, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days? 30. All right, I have to do no later than November the 28th of 2022, okay? Okay. All right, you're all set, sir. You're welcome. Tiana Johnson, I called your case a little earlier. Sorry about that. We can recall it now. All right, so good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Tiana Johnson. This is ticket number SP 12086561. This is one count drove while unlicensed. Ticket number SP 111814911, one count no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 111811492, one count drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 113834042, one count drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP 113837071, one count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number nope, that's closed. Appearances for the record, starting with council, please. All right, ma'am, if that's the case, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Yes, I do. You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights? Yes, ma'am. Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today? No. Are you pleading guilty of your own choice? Yes. Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty? Yes. And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future? Yes. Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today? Yes. I want to take your attention back to the date of November 20th of 2020. Were you in the area of West Davidson and Oakland Boulevard in the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle? Yes. And while you were driving, was your vehicle unregistered or untitled at this time? Yeah. And did you also drive while your license was not valid, ma'am? Satisfied, counsel? Satisfied, Your Honor. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge on count 1 of this ticket of improper plate. Count 2 is to be amended to fail to display a valid operator's license. And my fine today is going to be $200 on one of the tickets. I'm going to waive costs and fines on the other ticket. How long will it take you to pay that fine? We could do it, give us some time to put it in, so don't pay it until Monday, okay? Give you 30 days just in case. Now, let me tell you this, Ms. Johnson. There may be some reinstatement fees. That's above and beyond what I assessed today. You may also have some additional costs and fines that you need to pay that from older tickets that have not been taken care of. That's not included in this $200, okay? This is just for these tickets I called on the record today, okay? All right, then. There's nothing further, ma'am. You're all set. Have a good day. You're welcome. Thank you.
Good.
Jovan Freeman? Yes. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jovan Freeman. This is ticket number SP 122095711, one count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. At this time, okay, at this time, the court is going to grant our request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, you must have provided some valid documentation. We do appreciate it. Make sure that you always keep everything up to date and valid in your vehicle, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
Okay, so.
All right, bye-bye. No problem. What do you need?
We are ready. Yeah. Oh, we're ready on Wynn and Wolf.
All right. Mr. Wolf?
Yes.
calling the matter of the people versus Andre Wolf. This is ticket P 1286565. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P 1321358. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with count.
For the record, Your Honor, good morning, Melissa Vinik, P 53750, appearing on behalf of Andre Wolf.
Mr. Wolf, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Andre Wolf, the second.
How are we proceeding today?
Yes, Your Honor, at this time, my client does understand that he has a right to have a trial in this matter. I believe that he does understand all his rights. At this time, there has been a resolution. The resolution is that for count ending in 8-2, which is the driving while license suspended, will be amended. My client will be tendering a plea to, I believe it is blockading.
Improper plates.
Improper plates, sorry about that. You're right, improper plates. In exchange for that, Your Honor, the original charge, driving while license suspended, will be dismissed, as well as unregistered untitled, as well as the no insurance misdemeanor.
Mr. Wolf, do you want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding everything, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of May the 2nd of 2022. At that time, were you driving a Ford vehicle in the area of St. Martin and Pearson Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes, ma'am. But I was
That's
not
fine.
aware at the time.
It's okay. You don't have to be aware. Your license is suspended and you drove on it, okay?
Right. You're right.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulate.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge, improper plate. The remaining counts called on this record will be dismissed. Okay, Mr. Wood, that's why it's always important to pay all of your tickets and make sure you have everything up to date, because your tickets can suspend you if you don't pay them. If you just think, oh, nobody did anything to me, they will suspend that license real quick.
And I understand the importance of making sure you have insurance on your vehicle as well, because it could follow you for years. So
Okay,
I'm
All right.
definitely going to, be better with that.
all right. My fine today is $200. How long would that take to pay? 30 or 60 days?
I can pay it next week, actually.
All right, I'll give you a 30 days, so it's due November 28th, 2022. Okay, sir?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
You're all set. Thank you so much for your patience, Mr. Wood.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too, thank you. Albert Nguyen? Mr. Nguyen? Can you hear us, sir?
Can you hear me?
Okay.
Yes, I
Okay,
can.
I can hear you now. It froze for a minute, but you got it, sir. Okay. Now calling the matters of the people versus Albert Nguyen Jr. This is ticket number SP 123212111. Drove while license suspended. SP 125188871. Disregard signal red or amber. Ticket number SP 123211151. Speeding 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. Ticket number SP 10770211. Drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2 on that ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 10770221. No valid registration certificate. Ticket number SP 11267221. Disregard traffic control device. Ticket number SP SP 125-18872, drove while license suspended. Ticket SP 3054791, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P 162885251, one count, no operator's license on person. And ticket number 207130441, drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Melissa Vinik, P 53750, appearing on behalf of Albert Nguyen.
Mr. Nguyen, can you state your name for the record, please?
Albert James Nguyen Jr.
How are we proceeding today, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor, my client understands that he does have a right to have a trial in this matter. At this time, Your Honor, we have come to a resolution. And the resolution is that with respect to SP 12321211, the driving while license suspended, my client will be tendering a plea of guilty to the amended charge of improper plates. In exchange, the driving while license suspended will be dismissed. In addition to that, my client will be tendering for the count SP 12518871. My client will be tendering a plea of responsible to blockading on that matter. And on the count of SP 12321151, my client will also be tendering a plea of responsible to blockading on that matter. The rest of the tickets that have been stated on the record in exchange will be dismissed.
Mr. Nguyen, you want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Nguyen, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir, I want to take your attention back to the date of July 29th, 2021. At that time, were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Warren and Buckingham Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you're driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you also speeding, sir, in that area?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, also reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis, on the day of September 17th, 2021, in the area of Hoover and Grenier Streets in the city of Detroit, Mr. Nguyen was driving a Nissan vehicle and did disregard a signal, therefore blocking traffic. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulate, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates for the drove while license suspended. On the speeding charge and the disregard, the red signal, the court's going to enter amended pleas of responsible to block and aiding. The remaining counts called on the record today will be dismissed. Sir, the fine for this is $175 per ticket for the blockading. Those are civil infractions, so typically those are due 14 days after you plead. That's $350 total. Is that going to be enough time for you to pay those 2 tickets?
No, ma'am.
How much time do you need, sir?
6 weeks if I can.
Make it due no later than December 28th, 2022. Sir, that gives you 2 months, okay? 60 days,
Yes, ma'am.
okay? All right, the remaining ticket, I am going to waive the cost and fine today for you, okay, sir?
Yes.
Mr. Nguyen, you have some older tickets that are in disposition right now. Those are not included in this, okay? You need to pay those tickets. They're from, looks like 2016. All right, you still got some tickets out there that you didn't pay. You don't have to pay those, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can't remove the late customer. Oh, no, never mind. Just look it up, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, sir. Thank you for your patience this morning.
Yes, I have one question.
I got an answer for you. Go ahead, sir.
How do I, so in total, I owe $350?
For these tickets called today, okay? Some other tickets out there that have money on them as well.
Okay, so how do I go about paying these tickets today?
You can either go on 36court.org or you can physically come down to the court to pay them.
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day, okay, sir?
You too.
All right. All right, the last one is the trial. Did you talk to them about the trial? What are we doing?
I have not received the updated on that one.
Okay.
I'm putting it now.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Detective, you. How are you doing?
Morning, Judge. I'm doing good. How are you?
Good, thank you. I appreciate your patience this whole morning, okay?
That's okay.
All right, I'm gonna call this matter so we can figure out what's going on, what we're doing. All right. I think Ms. Jordan is on. Ms. Jordan, are you on? Can you hear me? Okay, we got terrible reception for Zoom in our building. And our building has the worst. All right. Now calling the matters of People versus Kimberly L. Jordan. This is U ticket 599-71521. This is one count of no dancer card in possession. Also calling U ticket 599-68621. This is one count of appeared semi-nude. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Kathy Bradford on behalf of Ms. Jordan. State your name for the record, please. Ms. Jordan.
Yeah, I did see her appear in the building. I wonder if she can hear us. She may have to step into the court.
Ms. Jordan, you can hear us. Step into the court. Let me send her a chat. Soon as she's not there, she did this the back.
Fantastic. Ms. Jordan, can you state your name for the record, please? All right, and we do have the detective here today for this bench trial. Ma'am, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Detective Fairfield, back number 896.
Thank you so much. How are we proceeding today?
We never did get that far, briefly spoke, but I have not been able to talk to her, in the breakout room because of the connection issue.
Miss Jordan, let me ask you this. Did you request to have an in-person hearing or you just came down today not realizing that it was on Zoom? I understand. I get it. Okay. I know. Ms. Jordan, we got you. I'm just asking because what I'm gonna do is I want you to try again to get on Zoom, not today. I'm gonna give you a later date because you do need to be able to talk to counsel and we're not gonna be able to do it today. I do apologize. But if we could get a date 4 weeks out, let me ask Detective, do you have any furlough coming up or time off?
No.
Okay, all right. Can we do a date for her 4 weeks out if we have it available so that she can try and get online? Miss Jones, Jordan, do you have some place where you know you got some good internet service where you'll be able to get on? So, okay. Okay, well, we're gonna try again. How about you try and log on tomorrow, just to see if you can do it. Do you have our log on information? Monday. Yeah, so try again at home on Monday. And if it doesn't work, then we'll try and figure something out. Okay? I just hate for you.
Your Honor, is it possible too for her to have that dial-in number too? For
Yeah.
Zoom, just in case?
Can we give her all that information just so she can have it, and then I'll give her a new date, and I'll give you it as well, officer. You'll be subpoenaed again, but that way we can just make sure. I know you tried really hard, but we're just not gonna be able to do it today. So I thank you for showing such diligence and coming down here. But I just know that we're not gonna be able to do it today, okay? What day
Hi.
are you, Madam Clerk?
Hi.
All right, are we ready on the trial now?
Well, the problem with it is it's written up with the wrong file number. I believe that's supposed to be a 5, not a 4, and I wasn't sure. And the top says blank. It just says plead guilty, so I was a little confused with this. It just says plead guilty. There's nothing in there, and then it says please responsible, but the responsible is 24724. We have 24725. So I wasn't sure if that's the same thing.
All right, so the guilty is blank because he usually writes it up just a little bit different. So it looks like, is this the latest one? It's okay.
My side.
Mr. White, I don't know why you signing in right now. I'm gonna put you in the waiting room. I know you're not here for my morning.
Okay,
docket.
I understand, Your Honor. I didn't know how to do this, so I was trying to get it done early.
Okay, you here for my 1:30 docket?
Yes, ma'am. I'll see you at 1:30.
Fantastic. You signed on correctly. Then you are in the right courtroom because I do the W, sir. So we'll see you at 1:30, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day, Mr. White.
All right.
Thank you. Okay. All right. All right. So the plea is that he can plead to a count of blockading. That's on ticket number. SP 112472242. No, that's not it. Yeah. No, count 1. So what's count 1? Count 1 is wrong way on a one-way street. That's amended to blockade.
Hold on, which number this is? This is
SP 112472241. You see on, do you have the plea form? Do you have the plea
I
form?
see the plea form, but I don't see that on either docket that you sent me. On either docket, it says you've got SP 1124725, 1, 2, and 3, but not
No,
4,
it's
1,
probably
2.
not, it's probably not on the docket. Once again, I pull all the tickets. So this ticket is probably not on the docket. And it probably went into default, but it was probably one of the cases that has a misdemeanor attached to it. So I just pull it so he doesn't get as many. I try to make sure that they don't have all these fees out here because then they're never going to be able to get their license back, is what they're trying to do. So it's probably for the 5th time, it's probably a lot of tickets on here that aren't on your docket. I'm sorry. It's so that's why I'm trying to, that's why.
Okay, that's fine. Not a big deal. Okay. 1, 1, 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 1. Okay, so he's pleading to SP 1124724 and he's pleading blockading. Okay. So we're amending the original charge to blockading. Got it. Okay.
He also has a ticket.
1, 2.
SP 1124724, count 2, which is improperly displayed, obscure, dirty plate as charged. Ticket number SP 112472243. That's no receipt or registration as charged. And then Ticket SP 112472261. That's one count of lead scene of accident. That's being amended to drag racing.
Which is a 4-point offense.
Correct,
Okay. And then everything else is being dismissed.
correct.
Okay, got it. So don't worry about these other tickets that are on the docket. Just follow this plea form for the dockets. Okay, fine. All right. Let me go tell him. Thanks.
Is that a golden doodle?
It's a golden doodle, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's like
Medium
Charlie.
sized one, because it doesn't look like the small one. It's a medium sized
Oh,
one.
he's big.
I was about to say, or is he the bigger golden doodle? Ooh.
Big boy.
He's about 85 pounds.
Oh, he's
Stop
bigger than
it.
Charlie. Wow.
He thinks he's a lap dog.
Okay, that's my favorite, when they're that big and
Sounds
they
about
think
right.
they're a lap. That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Do you guys have golden doodles?
I don't have any dogs, but I saw it and I saw how beautiful it was, so I
No,
said,
he's pretty, but he's a pain.
are we ready on this matter?
You know what? I went into the breakout room. I called my client several times and he's not responding. So I don't know what happened to him.
Let me bring him out and see if maybe he, Mr. Walton? 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 Mr. Watson?
He's been here all morning. So, you know,
Hello?
Hey, Darius. Okay, good. All right,
Can you
let
hear
me
me?
talk to you. I can hear you. We didn't know what happened to you. Hold on one second. Do you want to go in a breakout room? Hold on one second.
This guy is, and anyone who knows too.
Go into, well, I don't know how.
The fender bender. And there was a body in.
I can't hear you like that.
Okay, I'm going into the, okay, hi, you're in breakout room 4. Okay, good. How are you?
All right.
Okay, good. All right. So basically what's going on is they've made an offer. All right. So you are going to be pleading responsible to 112472441. They're amending the charge to a blockading. You're pleading guilty to count 2 and 3 is a dirty plates and of no receipt of the registration. And again, you're going to plead to the 247261, which is the drag racing. That's a 4-point offense. Okay, so that's amended. So it's amended to, you're pleading guilty as charged to the first one, which is a blockading. 2 and 3 are amended and you're pleading guilty to those. Responsible, which is the dirty plates and the no restrict registration. All right. And then you're pleading to the blockading, no, I'm sorry, the drag racing, which is a 4-point offense as opposed to a 6-point offense, and everything else is getting dismissed.
All right, man.
Good. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me a little bit about yourself. How old are you?
I'm 30. I just told you this.
You told me, let me just see. You told me, hold on, let me find my notes. You went to Western International High School, correct?
Yeah.
That's it. That's you. Okay, very good. You understand what's going on?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. All right, we're gonna go back in. Leave the breakout room. leave the breakout room. There should be a button there to leave the breakout room and go back into the main session. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you see it?
Hold on.
You know, you might be in the main session anyways. Hi, I think you might be in the main session. So that's okay.
All right.
All right, very good.
All right. Did you get to talk to Mr. Walton, or do you need to go back in the breakout room with him?
No, I'm good. I spoke to him.
Where he at?
What is this?
Mr. Walton?
I just spoke to him.
Yes.
He's right there.
Yes.
Can you hear us?
Yes.
No, you know what? We on mute. Okay.
Can you hear me?
All right. All right, fantastic. Sorry, I had to lower it down a little bit. You ready, Mr. Walton?
Yes. Can you hear me?
I can. Thank you so much. Now calling the matter of people versus Darius Lamont Walton. Today is the date and time set for a bench trial on these following tickets. Ticket number P 945184, count 1, drove while licensed not valid or improper, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1124726, 1 count failed to report an accident. That's the problem. 1 second. All right. Ticket number 269925, reckless driving, drove while license suspended. Ticket number P 1124725, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 1124762, 1 count failed to provide information regarding accident. Ticket number U 6020221, narcotics and drug related violation. Also calling ticket SP 1124761, 1 count of leave scene of accident causing property damage. Ticket number SP 112472411, wrong way on a one-way street. Ticket SP 112472242, improperly displayed dirty obscure plate. And ticket number SP 112472243, no receipt of registration. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Melissa Vinik appearing on behalf of Darius Walton.
Sir, can you
Yes.
state your name for the record?
Darius Lamont Walton.
All right, how are we proceeding today?
Yes, Your Honor. On behalf of my client understands that he does have a right to have a trial in this matter. However, at this time, we have come to a resolution and my client is ready to tender a plea. My client will be pleading to ticket number SP 112472441. That is going to the original charge will be amended and he will be pleading to blockading. He will also be pleading responsible to SP 11247242, which is the dirty plate. SP 11247243, no receipt registration. As well, he will be pleading to SP 11247261, which is the original charge will be amended to drag racing, which is a 4-point offense. Original charge will be dismissed along with all other matters that have been mentioned on the record.
Okay. And we do have the officer here today, Officer Fitzgerald Harris. Can you please state your name for the record?
Yes, Officer Fitzgerald Harris, badge 1442, Detroit Police Department.
All right. Mr. Warden, do you want to take advantage of this plea today?
Yes.
Okay, so you may be having trouble hearing because at the top of one of the boxes in there, it has like a microphone that you can tap to make it louder so it won't be as muffled. All right. If you
Oh,
want to
yeah, I
take
can
advantage,
hear.
you can hear better now, can't you?
Yes.
Okay, raise your right hand if you want to take advantage of this offer today, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yeah.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Huh?
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today, sir?
Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of October the 17th of 2020. Were you in the area of Buchanan and Scotton Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle?
Yes.
All right. And did you leave the scene of that location? It was an accident causing property damage, sir?
Yes.
All right. And then reading from the rest of the tickets to establish factual basis on the date of that same date, October the 16th, 2020, in that area of Trenton and Michigan in the city of Detroit, Mr. Walton was driving a Chevy vehicle which had no receipt of or registration, had improperly displayed dirty, obscure plates, and he also went the wrong way on a one-way street, therefore blocking traffic. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause and the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulate.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to an amended charge of drag racing on the scene of an accident causing property damage, as charged or responsible for no receipt of registration and improperly displayed plate, and an amended plea of responsible down to blockading on the wrong way on a one-way street. Sir, the civil infraction fines are $175 plus 180 for the no registration, the registration, and another 180 for the improperly displayed plates. So that's a total of $535. Typically with civil infractions, you only have 14 days to be able to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you, sir?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Your Honor, can we have a longer period of time for my client, please?
Say you can pay.
Well,
30 days, sir?
Yes.
Okay. I'm trying to work with you, sir, Mr. Warden.
No, you good. I'm gonna pay it. I'm just
Okay.
trying to get it over with.
I know. All right, so I'm having to do no later than November 28th, 2022. On the last ticket, I am gonna waive the cost of fines because you're gonna have something called reinstatement fees. And those are addition above and beyond what I've just stated today. And I'm imagining based on the number of tickets I just missed, you're gonna have a few of those to pay, okay? Also, if you haven't been paying tickets past the 2020 date, then you probably have some tickets out there in disposition. I don't know that you do. I'm
No,
just letting you know.
I handled everything. It's just
Okay.
Detroit left.
Okay, all right. So if these are all that are left, pay these fines and costs, and you'll be hopefully eligible soon to be able to apply. Now, we don't run for police. We remember that, right, Mr. Walton?
Yeah, I don't run from the police.
Don't do it, okay? All right,
Yeah.
look at all the world that you have opened up when you ran from them, okay? Lesson
No, I'm
learned, right?
changed. Yeah, I'm changed. I'm a changed person now.
And you know what? I'm gonna believe that because this was a whole 2 years ago. So I'm gonna believe that, okay? All right, we don't do that anymore, okay?
Yeah,
All right, good luck to you, okay?
thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, sir.
All right.
Thank you, officer. I appreciate it. All right.
Thank you. Everybody have a good day.
Thank you.